Ma'am, how long have you been living here in Miami?
Мэм, как долго вы проживали здесь, в Майами?
1 год.
The interpreter needs the repetition.
You gotta ask her
Say
again.
that in Russian?
Вы скажите, вы повторите, пожалуйста, я не расслышал. Вы сказали 1 год?
Да, я над
1 year.
Украины его от войны.
The interpreter needs a repetition of what was said after 1 year, Your Honor. Что вы сказали, вы бежали от войны?
Да. И я все время была с ним сама. И в Польше я была с ним, и здесь. Вот.
Yes, I escaped the war. At all times I was with my child in Poland and in here.
Where did you live before you came to the United States?
А где вы проживали до того, как приехать в Соединенные Штаты?
Я работала в Соединенных Штатах на борту, но мой ребенок был своими родителями. И когда война случилась, я его решила забрать с собой сюда.
When the war happened, my child was living with my parents, and when the war happened, I decided to took him here to join me, and I was working here in United States.
So, ma'am, where's the child now? Was he taken by the Department of Children and Families?
А где сейчас находится ребенок, мэм? Был ли отобран он у вас департаментом по делам детей?
Мои друзья его взяли вроде, я так думаю, но я так хочу его вернуть обратно. Это просто его обожаю, его так люблю, я не могу без него, вы знаете.
My friends, I think my friends took him, but I cannot live without him. You know, I admire him. I cannot imagine my life without him.
Ma'am, right now the court is finding probable cause for 2 counts of child abuse.
Мэм, на данный момент суд рассматривает обвинение в ваш адрес по 2 пунктам о насилии над ребенком.
And I'm entering a stay-away order from the victim, your son, whose initials are DS.
И на данный момент вводится запрет на приближение к нему от жертвы, чьи инициалы Д.
Now at 11, a mother facing disturbing child abuse charges out of jail tonight. She's accused of beating her 3-year-old in the middle of an apartment complex hallway.
I want to get him back. I'm sorry.
Do you love your son, Sonia?
I love him. I love my son.
A police report says Yulia Storozhuk was angry Tuesday because her son kept insisting he wanted to go to a playground. Sunny Isles Beach police say her response was violent.
We have one video where she basically pushes this child, throws the child down to the ground, and basically violently kicks this child.
Police say the 29-year-old also grabbed her son by the face, pushed him to the ground, and repeatedly kicked him while he was down.
This is something that anyone, regardless whether you're a parent or not, is pure disgust. For a human being, let alone someone's mother, this little boy's mother, to do this to an innocent child that cannot defend themselves, I find it just simply
Arrested and charged with child abuse Wednesday night.
Do you have anything
She was
to say to
released
your
from
son?
jail on bond.
Yeah, I feel so sorry. I wouldn't do this anymore.
Thursday morning, police say they have been flooded with calls of people who saw this video and want to help this child.
Yulia said, "I'm so sorry. I won't do this anymore," before refusing to talk any further without her attorney present. The judge ordered her to stay away from her son for 30 days and arranged for her to be arraigned within 30 days. The Department of Children and Families is also launching a probe into the mother's behavior, the police report states, with the child current in their care. The mother is going to get the consequences that come with her actions, a police spokesman added. In a gushing birthday post for her son 2 years before the incident, Storozhuk, from Odessa, calls the angel youngster her hope, protector, and pride. Yulia Storozhuk, 29, faces child abuse charges in Miami-Dade County after she allegedly threw and kicked her son down a hallway in an apartment building. "It's one of the worst things I've seen in 22 years as an officer," Estevez said. According to an arrest affidavit, Sunny Isles police responded on Monday. A neighbor gave ring camera footage in which Storozhuk was recorded on Sunday night, grabbing the 3-year-old son with both hands, lifting him off the ground and throwing him to the floor, documents stated. She instantly became angry, growling and clenching her right fist. The woman pointed toward the direction she came, an apparent order for the boy to go in that direction. The child seemed ready to comply, but the woman shoved him to the floor. The boy cried. Other footage showed her throwing the boy to the floor. She forced him down the hallway, kicking and shoving him the entire way. That was a 3-year-old boy, Estevez told Weber. What she did to that kid is worse than I've seen adults do to other adults. According to cops, Storozhuk admitted post-Miranda that it was her in the footage. Defendant discloses the reason she pushed her son was punishment for insisting on going to the playground, officers said. Defendant went on to say that the son was being difficult and uncooperative. The boy is undergoing testing for his well-being, the investigator said. He will be placed in the proper home, but prosecutors and a judge will play a role in his future. But I know that he's not going to be beat up by his mother anymore, Estevez said. The judge ordered Storozhuk to stay away from her child and not to speak with him. She will be arraigned in 30 days.